everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use the Bollinger Bands indicator in trading. As you can see, I have selected the 5-minute time frame, and now I'm adding the Bollinger Bands indicator to the chart. This is one of the most popular indicators used by traders to identify market direction and potential trading opportunities. Now we're going to place a buy trade. Guys, trading is not just about clicking a button and making money instantly. Trading requires skills, patience, experience, and a clear understanding of the market. Many beginners think they can enter a trade and start winning immediately. But successful trading takes time and practice. If you focus on learning and understanding any indicator properly, it can significantly improve your trading performance. In my opinion, Bollinger Bands is one of the best indicators because it helps traders understand market movements and identify potential entry points. Now you can see that this trade has successfully ended in profit. Let's move on to the next trade. Here we're selecting the GBP JPY currency pair and placing another buy trade. As you can see, the market is showing strong bullish momentum, and a large bullish candle has formed. The price is moving upward with strength, which is a positive sign for our trade. This trade is also moving in our favor. If you're interested in receiving free trading signals and market updates, make sure to join my Telegram channel. I share free signals and trading insights regularly. You'll find the Telegram channel link in the description below.